Okay, I'm going to try and do these rain simulators from Dolygan yesterday. I'm going to put a litre of water in each one and see what the runoff potential is. It's only a very slight slope, not like it is at Dolygan, but one on the left is the Clamp-Saver, who is having been grazed and having a bit of Italian ryegrass regrowth, and the one on the right is from the turnip area, which is being grazed and obviously hasn't got any regrowth. So we'll try a litre of water in each one. So here goes on the first one. You can see kind of what sort of runoff we're expecting and how much brown soiled water actually runs into it. And still running there. And we have got, as you can see, some discoloration on the bottom, a little bit of soil particles running off, and again some dripping through into the base, coming through properly, and some being held within the soil itself. I'm going to try the turnip one and see if there's any difference. It's dripping through there nicely. You can see it percolating. Well, it's not percolating, it's sitting on the surface, not really going very far. So if that was on more of a slope, we'd have even more runoff, but there is discoloration in that to quite a greater amount. If I can try and compare the two, you can see the difference in coloration between them two, and we can see a lot more soil particle in the bottom of this one than in this one. And in actual fact, if you can try and see the levels on each of them, although they both had a litre of water in, there's quite a lot more in the turnip one than there is in the Italian ryegrass one, Clamp-Saver one. So that's quite a significant amount of more runoff. And what we've got to consider, of course, is this is now going to be green all the way through to the reseeding maybe next August, whereas this is going to be like this for at least another 5 to 6 months, and continuous rain through the winter is going to be working itself off that surface.